Alright, let's get started. My name is Javlani Jackson Bigicha, known as Pravesh from Siboke. I'm going to do basic on MT4 platform. I'm using xm.com MT4 platform. You can also download xm.com platform. I will give you a link where to download. Right, this is our MT4 platform, xm.com MT4 platform. I will start with the chart window. This is where you find the chart window. This section here, it is called the chart window, where most of the traders spend their time on. You will also spend your time on this window, analyzing the market, technical or fundamental. Right. As you can see, we have a USD JPY, we have a GBP card, we have Euro USD, we have USD card on our chart window. Please write this down. Chart window. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright. On the left hand side, we have a market watch. We have a navigator. You find market watch on the left hand side. This is where you find market watch section. Market watch section has symbol, bid, and ask price. These are your symbols or your currency pairs. These are your bid price, ask price, buying price, selling price, symbol or currency pairs. Bongani can hear my sound. Maybe. Right, I was talking about the market watch, where you find the currency pairs, the buy price, and the selling price. This is the time zone, our SA time. You can also right click. You will find the menu. If you want to check the spread of xm.com, you can click the spread. It will show you the spread on the right hand side. If you want to see the time, you just click the time. It will show you the time. If you want to see the high and the low, you can click the high and the low. It will show you the high and the low. If you want to see the chart, you can click the tick chart. It will show you the graph on the side. But mostly we use the symbols. Right. As you can see, we have only 4 currency pairs or symbols. If you want to view many currency pairs or the symbols, you can right click on the symbols. You will find the symbols here: Forex 1, Forex 2, and Forex 3. Or you can also come here, click show all. It will show all the currency pairs, all the symbols that you want to trade. You can scroll down, scroll up. If you want to insert the chart, you can point USD card, drag it to here. It will change from USD JPY to USD card. H1 is your time frame. Or you can point again, or point GBP card, right click on chart window. It will open GBP card time frame H1. That's where you find your symbols or your currency pairs. We then have a navigator on the left hand side. It has account information, indicators, expect advices, scripts. Once you have registered with your broker, this is where you will find your account. These are my accounts: xm.com, Rail 17, Demo 2 and Rail 14. Indicators. If you'll be using indicators, you can come here. You'll find many different indicators. But we will be dealing with price action. We don't need indicators. Expect advices. If you'll be using robots such as Armageddon, Refwayne, you can find the robots here. We then have the terminal. This part here at the bottom, it is called the terminal, where you will see your order, time, type, size, symbol, price, sorry guys, stop loss, take profit, price, commission, swap, and profit. The balance, equity, free margin. At the bottom, you will see the trade, exposure, account history, news, alerts, mailbox, market, signals, code base, experts, and journal. That's where you find the terminal. If it happens that you close the terminal, sorry about that, oh my PC. If it happens that you close the terminal, you come here. This is where you find the terminal. You can click here, or you can come to view, click on the terminal. If you don't find the navigator, you can come here, click the navigator, or come to view, click navigator. As much as market watch, if you don't find market watch, you come here, click market watch. Right. You know where to find the market watch, you know where to find the navigator, you know where to find the terminal. Once you have inserted your chart, you have time frames, different time frames, from minute 1 to monthly. If you press here, it will change to minute 1. If you click here it's 5 minutes, here it's 15 minutes, here it's 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, day, weekly, and monthly. So about it. This is your time frame, where you change your time frame, guys. If you will be scalping the market, you'll be using M1, M5, M15, and M30. If you will be swinging, you will use H1, H4, day 1, weekly, and monthly. We have a noise. Right, this is where you change your time frame. We have 3 different types of charts. We have a line chart, we have a bar chart, we have a candlestick chart. This is where you find the charts. I will maximize this so that you can see. This is where you zoom, this is where you minimize. I will zoom in so that you can see. This is what we call a bar chart. A bar chart, a candlestick chart, and a line chart. Most of the traders use a candlestick chart. You will also use a candlestick chart, right? So now you know where to find the symbols, how to insert the symbols, where to find the chart window, where to find the navigators, where to find the terminal, where to change the time frame, and where to change the chart. Right. Once you know all that, you come to place your trade. You can click new order, or you can click F9. This is how you place your trade. It will show you this window, which will give you a symbol. You can click here, select symbol that you want to trade. Volume is your lot size, stop loss, take profit, comment, type. We have pending orders and market execution. We have sell by market price, the ask price. We have buy the market, the bid price. So this is where you place your trade. You can click F9, or you can click new order. So usually before you analyze the chart, you come on the chart window, you right click on the chart, you go to properties, you will find menu, you can change the colors. I prefer to use color white, which is our background, and to change our foreground to color black, which is this side and this side, the price side and the scale side. The grid, which is the cross, the bar up, which is the bulls, the bar down, which is the bearish, the bull candle, which is green, the bear candle, which is red. You can use blue, you can use color of your choice. I prefer to use green and red. You then click OK. Once you are done changing the properties, you can then identify your support and resistance, which we'll dwell much on next week. How to identify support and resistance. We are using different lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. This is where you find the lines. This is vertical line. This is the crosshair. This is the horizontal line. This is the trend line. If you click here, horizontal line, then you come here, you click, it will drop the line. If you click here, you click here and drag it upwards. This is your trend line. This is your horizontal line. This is your vertical line. You use crosshair to check the pips, the distance from here to here. It will show you the pips, the middle number that is written 22278, which is 22,278, which is 2,227 pips. The last number, it is called points, right? You know, we use crosshair to check the pips. We use the trend line to draw our trend line. We use the horizontal line to identify our support and resistance. This is what we're going to use, guys. The very same thing that I have told you about on this platform, you will get it when dealing with harmonic scanner from iMarkets Live. iMarkets Live will give you a signal. You will come back to your MT4 platform where you will identify support and resistance to get different types of patterns. Then you will trade that pattern. If you find the correct entry points, the same as harmonic scanner, right? Remember, we have a chart window where we analyze the chart. We have a market watch where we find the currency pair that we want to trade. We have a navigator where we create our account. and where we find our indicators. We have a terminal where we see the information of our trading currency. We then have ribbons where we find our time frames, where we find our line charts, our bar charts, our candle charts, where we zoom our charts, where we place our orders, where we find our lines to identify the support and the resistance, where we find the crosshair to check the pips. Are you with me, guys?
Yes, we're following. I'm following.
All right. I will open for questions.
Yes, we are following.
I will open for questions. You may type your question on the chat box. I will then answer. You don't have questions, guys?
Not at this point. I'm just listening to the terminology. I suppose I'll get used to it. I'm writing at the same time. Thanks.
All right. Let me also write for you. Remember, this part is called chart window. This is the trade panel. You find the selling price, the buy price, and the lot size. This information, you also find it when you click the new order. It also appears here as volume, stop loss, take profit, symbol, type, the price, and the price. The most important thing on MT4 platform is to know how to place a trade, because harmonic scanner or a swipe trade will give you a signal, then you don't know how to place a trade. So it is important for everyone to know where to click when placing a trade and where to monitor your trade. We'll talk later about the pending orders and the market executions. Right now it was all about MT4 platform. If the signal come and give you a signal on USD card, you know where to find USD card if it is not shown on the symbols. Remember, you right click, you click show all. If you want to hide, you can hide all. It will only show the first 4. If you want to show all again, you right click, click show. We will be trading forex currencies, not stocks. You will create your accounts here. If you right click on the account, it will give you this option. You click open an account. It will give you different accounts from xm.com, demo to real. You can click demo and click next. Existing, if you have account. If you don't have, you click new demo. When you click next, it will take you to the website where you can download and register for your demo account. This is the section. This is the information that is needed. Your first name, your last name, currency, city, phone number, email address, MT4, account type. Please do not change. Click standard lot. Currency, you may change, select ZAR if you want to use ZAR, or you can click USD. Leverage, click 1:200. Investment. This is your demo account, guys. You can click any amount of your choice. 5 million, $1,000. It is up to you. Password. You then confirm your password after you open your demo account. The website is www.xm.com. If you want to use XM, you can use Hot Forex, Traders Way, but I prefer XM. So I would like to advise each and every one of you to download MT4 Platform. On Thursday or next week Monday, we will trade together. I will post 2 signals from Harmonic Scanner. Tomorrow we'll do a training on iMarkets Live so that you can see that iMarkets Live is legit and it's working. People are making money from iMarkets Live. You have choices. You can trade with iMarkets Live, or you cannot trade but do the network side of iMarkets Live, of which it has a compensation plan that will be shown tomorrow. And you can also do both. You can trade, you can also do the network marketing side. It is your choice. My job is to help you so that when you subscribe or you apply or you buy one of the packages from iMarkets Live, you know how to trade. If you know how to place a trade, you are now able to trade because I can give you a signal, buy this pair at this price. You'll be able to navigate that currency pair or that symbol and the price. You'll be able to click your new order, or you'll be able to click to press F9. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
All right. You may ask questions before we end our training session for today.
Mr. Pikisha, can you hear me there?
What's your name, sir?
Hello?
Hello?
Donald, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, Mr. Pikisha, about the iMarkets Live and the Harmonic Scanner, actually is how much per month to subscribe with them, or can you explain more about it?
Okay, we will tell much on iMarkets Live tomorrow, but I will brief you. The package is from $195 when you start buying the package, and then monthly it will be $145. The reason why you should learn how to trade, when you buy the package, you'll be able to start trading live. So you'll be able to make that monthly subscription fee and profit. Do you understand, sir?
Okay, Mr. Pikisha. Yes, I understand now, sir.
All right.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome, sir.
I just need to ask. Hi, Mr. Pikicha. How much do we need in our trading account to make a good profit?
Okay. You can start by $20.
Which is how much?
Oh, let me check. $200 plus 260 upwards.
Okay.
So, sir, can I ask, because I'm finding it very difficult to hear you. I think it's because of my signal. So, is this session recorded so that maybe I can get it somewhere?
Yes, it is recorded. I will send it in the group.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, you're welcome. Guys, do you find MT4 platform difficult?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello?
For me, it is difficult. Yeah, I'm just saying that for me, it's a bit difficult because some of the words, I'm just seeing them for the first time. So maybe once we get used to the jargon, we will be able to follow properly. But I've been watching YouTube during the links that you gave us. But some of the things, even working on this platform, it's a new thing for me. So I just have to get my mind correctly. But I think I will be fine. Thanks.
All right. I think what I will do, as this session was recorded, I will send it in the group and I will also send the screenshots so that it reminds you.
That would really help. Thanks, Mr. Pikisha.
You're welcome, ma'am. Another question, guys? We are ending our session at 8:45.
Just last question, Mr. Pikisha. When would you do live presentations around Joburg? Do you have those planned maybe anytime soon?
Okay, this week I'll be traveling to Devon. I think next week.
All right. Thank you. Sorry. I noticed that the MT4 on the cell phone and on the computer, I think it's difficult. I mean, it's different. Are we going to be fine as we go on if others are using their phones and others are using the laptop?
Yes, you
Not sure
are.
which one. Is there any of the one that is user friendly that we can choose, or what is we being disadvantaged if we go to the mobile rather than the laptop? Because I can see they are completely different.
Okay, I think we'll also organize a training how to use MT4 on mobile.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
You're welcome. Questions, guys? If you can't talk, you can chat. You can type on the chat. No questions? Perfect.
No questions at this moment. I think ours is just to go back and try to do what you were showing us on our dummy accounts. I think we will be okay. Like I said. Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it will just take a bit of practice, I suppose.
All right.
Thank you.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Mr. Pikisha.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, it's Donald again.
All right.
Yes, man. I was just suggesting. Yes, how about maybe like for this month, maybe you give us the signals from the harmonic scan and the iMarkets Live. Then the following month, and we all subscribe with the profits that we have made.
It's not.
No, it's just a suggestion, sir.
Oh, so
Hello?
you want to make money so that you can subscribe for iMarket product?
Yes, as you can see that we're gonna start with $250 and so forth. You see, at least if you can get a start, then from next month, then we can register with the experience, knowing how does the iMarket signals works.
All right. No, I will share the signals next week. Just for next week, guys.
Okay.
Monday to Friday, so
Okay.
that you can see it works. You can also make more by next week.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You are truly the best.
If you have any questions, guys, after the meeting, you can also type in our group, or you can also private message me. Thanks for attending this training session. I think we'll also meet tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow's training is all about iMarket's Live and iMarket's Live product. Thank you very much. Have a lovely night.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a lovely
Thank you a lot.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
God bless. God bless you.